Hello everyone, got another Masdi model here. Already did a review about this one and I think it's a very good model, really good quality. Similar like the one from Jackie Kim, and I also believe this comes from the Jackie Kim factory. Now I have this Toyota Hiace 2010. And we're going to find out if this is as good as the Toyota Land Cruiser. Still in the plastic. You want to see the package first. A little bit more light. So officially licensed by Toyota, that is what we like. Nice box package. Very well protected by the plastic. Okay, so here it is. Not a super favorite model of mine. The quality is really good, I have to say. Right-hand driving. Lens front lights. We got Hiace license plate. Yeah, very good rolling wheels. Side mirrors. And we got a metal base with spare tire and a silver exhaust. Spare tire is not really a spare tire. It's supposed to look like a spare tire, but if it was a good spare tire, it would be the same as the one right here. Okay, let's have a look in the interior. Maybe we can see something through the dark glass. Yeah, there is an interior in the back. It's a little bit too dark to see, but as you can see, and a seat there. Steering wheel even got details. I believe there are also some details on the dashboard. Am I seeing that? I don't think so. I think it's all black. No, there are some details. You can see it from above. Maybe we can see it from the other side. There we go. Let's focus a little bit. That's better. Yeah, okay, I see what it is. It's for the air ventilation. But still a pretty good interior. Yep. Very nice model. Like I say, not one of my favorite castings, but I was very interested after I saw this one. We can have a close look to that one as well. We already see it. Just a quick look to refresh the memory. Yeah, metal body, metal base. Good rolling wheels. Heating in the back window. This one has heating. No, it's all dark. And also colored interior. Here you can see it, but you can look it up. You can have a better look on my review about this beauty. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Have a good day. Bye.